This is the GOOLOO Jump Starter with a built-in air compressor. It can jump start your car or fill up your tire in an emergency. Now, this was gifted to me by the folks at GOOLOO so I could share my thoughts with you, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. Before we get into how to jump start a dead battery or inflate a flat tire using this versatile tool, let's take a quick look at what comes in the box. Inside, you'll find a set of heavy-duty jumper cables, an air hose for tire inflation, a clear and easy-to-read user manual, a USB charging cable, adapters for inflating footballs, basketballs, and pool toys, the jump starter and compressor combo, and a convenient carrying case to keep everything neatly organized. It also comes with two surprising useful features. First, it's a fully functioning flashlight with a flashing SOS mode, perfect for roadside emergencies at night. Plus, it doubles as a reliable power bank to charge your phone if you lose power at home. And given the size of the battery, it can easily charge your phone multiple times. To charge this device, use the included USB cable. Connect it to a wall charger and then the USB-C input port. Once the battery icon on the display stops flashing, it's fully charged. When jump starting a vehicle with a dead battery, first attach the cables to the booster. The connectors are designed to fit only one way so you can't mess it up. Start by connecting the black clamp to the battery's negative terminal, followed by the red clamp to the positive terminal. No buttons to press. Once connected, you're ready to go. A green light on the connector confirms a proper connection. Notice the boost button, which is for extreme cases when the battery is completely drained. Once everything is properly connected, start the vehicle as you normally would and leave it running. Then disconnect the jumper cables. To inflate a tire, activate the display by pressing the center button once. Scroll through the options to select the item you want to inflate and adjust the pressure manually if needed. Next, connect the air hose to the tire valve stem. Press the center button on the compressor to start it. It will automatically stop once the tire reaches the pressure PSI you set in the display. Once you have one of these jump starter and compressor combos in your car or truck, you'll quickly appreciate knowing you can handle dead batteries and flat tires on your own. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.